Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See here, x data is given. For that x data, the corresponding y values is given. Now how can you find the covariance for x and y? This is the problem. So it is very easy problem. So first of all, find x values, that is product of xy. So 1 into 4, nothing but 4. Next 2 to the 4. Next 3 4s are 12. Next 4 is 32. Next 5 9s are 45. 12 6 are 72. Next step, add x values, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. It gives summation of x, sigma x value, so that is 21. Next, summation of y values, sigma y values, that is 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12, thus be equal to 39. Next, similarly, add summation of xy values, that is 4 plus 4 plus 12 plus 32 plus 40 plus 72, so that's be equal to 169. Now recall the formula, that is covariance of x comma y data, thus be equal to summation of xy by n minus summation of x by n into summation of y by n. That is, here n means number of iterations. Totally we have 6 observations are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So n equal to 6. Now substitute all the values be here. Then we get summation of xy, we got, that is 169. So 169 by n is 6 minus summation of x is 21. So 21 by 6 into a summation of y, that is 39. 39 by 6. So it becomes 169 by 6, and here by cancelling we will get 91 by 4, thus equal to 65 by 12. By further simplification it gives 5.41666. So this is the covariance between x and y data for the given problem, and this is the process of simplification. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.